Hello children, welcome to our maths class. In our previous class in exercise 3 we have completed 3 bits. First bit, find each of the following. These 3 bits we have completed. See here, find each of the following products. Second bit, multiply and reduce to lowest form. Third bit, which one is greater. We have completed these 3 bits. Now fourth bit, fourth one is word problem. Now fourth word problem I have written on the board. Now look at the board everyone. Now fourth question is, Rehana works 2 into 1 by 2 hours each day on her embroidery. Embroidery means stitching, Nana. Like stitching. Rehana works 2 into 1 by 2 hours each day on her embroidery. Embroidery means kutlu vallikal antaru kada, atlanti work chestadanta. Tanu daily she will works on her embroidery 2.5 hours daily. She will works on her embroidery 2.5 hours. She completes the work in 7 days. If she works daily 2.5 hours, she will complete the work in 7 days. Daily 2.5 hours work చేస్తే తను 7 days లో work complete చేసిందంట. How many hours did she take to complete her work? She completes the work in 7 days. Now daily she is working 2.5 hours. Daily 2.5 hours work చేస్తుంది. అట్లా she completes the work in 7 days. అట్లా వర్క్ చేస్తూ 7 days లో కంప్లీట్ చేస్తుంది. Now we have to find these 7 days in hours. ఈ 7 days కి ఎన్ని hours? So daily 2.5 hours అయితే 7 days కి ఎన్ని hours find out చేయాలి. Understand? Now how many hours did she take to complete her work? They said in 7 days. Now we have to convert that 7 days into hours. How to convert? See here. Now solution. Now Rehana works 2.5 hours each day on her embroidery. Rehana works each day on her embroidery is equal to on her embroidery is equal to 2 into 1 by 2 hours. Now it is a mixed fraction. How to? Now we can convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. How to convert? By multiplying. 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 5. Now it is 5 by 2 hours. We have converted this mixed fraction into improper fraction. The conversion form of 2 into 1 by 2 is 5 by 2 hours. Now she completes the work in 7 days. She completes the works in 7 days. Now number of days to complete the work. Number of days to complete the work is equal to complete the work is equal to 7 days. She will take 7 days to complete the work. 7 days. Now how many hours did she take to complete the work? Now same work, she has to take the time 7 days. Now we have to convert that 7 days into hours. How to convert? Now see, number of hours to complete the work is equal to number of hours to complete the work is equal to already we have learned how to multiply a whole number with a fraction. Now 7 is a whole number. Now she is taking 5 by 2. It is 2.5 hours. We have converted this 2.5 hours into improper fraction. The conversion form of 2.5 hours is 5 by 2 because 2 2s are 4, 4 1s are 5. 5 by 2 hours. Now 7 days. We have to convert these 7 days into hours. So that's why we have to multiply with hours. Now here 7 into 5 by 2. 7 is a numerator. There is no denominator. If you don't have any denominator, we have to take the denominator as 1. Denominator లేకపోతే ఆ denominator 1 ని తీసుకోవాలని చెప్పాను కదా. Now see here, you can write like this also, no problem. 7 by 1 or 7 both are same, no problem. Now 7 by 1 into 5 by 2. Now there is no more. Is there any possibility to cut? No, there is no more possibility. If you don't have any possibility, then what you have to do? Simply you have to multiply the numerators and write the answer. Multiply the denominators and write the answer. Multiply the numerators 7 into 5 by 1 into 2. 7 into 5 it gives 35. 1 2s are it gives 30. 1 2s are it gives 2. Now 35 by 2 it is a improper fraction. We can convert this improper fraction to mixed fraction. How to convert? By division. Now divide here. 2 35. 35 is not possible in two table, but we can take 2 17s are 34. 2 17s are 34. Now minus 5 minus 4 gives 1. 3 minus 3 there is no need to write, so it is 1. Now the conversion. Now 35 by 2 is an improper fraction. We can convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. We have converted here. It gives first 17 into first 17 we have written, then 1 by 2 hours. That means she will take 17 into 1 by 2 hours to complete the work. In days that are 7 days. In hours it is 17 into 1 by 2 hours. Now see, 2 17s are 34. 34 plus 1 35. 35 by 2 hours. Okay. Next side. Fifth question. A truck runs 8 kilometers using 1 liter of petrol. A truck runs 8 kilometers. To travel 8 kilometers, the truck is taking 1 liter of petrol. That means by using 1 liter of petrol, it is going by 8 kilometers. How much distance will it cover using 10 into 2 by 3 liters of petrol? Have you understood the question? By using 1 liter of petrol, it is going by 8 kilometers. Now, how much distance will it go in using 10 into 2 by 3 liters of petrol? 10 into 2 by 3 liters of petrol use చేసుకొని ఎంత distance వస్తుందో అడుగుతున్నారు. Now, it is a mixed fraction. We can convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction, then we find the solution. Then solution is equal. A truck runs 8 kilometers using 1 liter of petrol. A truck runs 8 kilometers using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover using 10 into 2 by 3 liters of petrol? Now, how much distance? Now here we have to find the distance. Now, how much distance will it cover using 10 into 2 by 3 liters of petrol? Total distance is equal to now 10 into 2 by 3 liters of petrol. Now, by using 10 into 2 by 3 liters of petrol, how much distance it will go? ఇంత petrol usage ఎంత distance వెళ్తుందో అడుగుతున్నారు కదా. Now it is a mixed fraction. Now we have to convert this mixed fraction to improper fraction. How to convert? 10 into 2 by 3 liters. Now see, 3 tens are 30. 30 plus 2, 32 by 3. Now it is 32 by 3 liters. Now, do you know cross multiplication? In our class 6 we have learned how to multiply. How to do cross multiplication? Now see here, by using 1 liter of petrol, it is going by 8 kilometers. Now here we have 32 by 3 liters of petrol. By using 32 by 3 liters of petrol, how much distance it will go? Then we have to multiply like this. Already we have learned how to multiply whole number with a fractional number. Now 8 into 32 by 3. 8 is a numerator. If you don't have numerator, then 8 is a numerator. If you don't have any denominator, then you have to take the denominator as 1. Now take the denominator as 1. 8 becomes 8 by 1. Now multiply. 32 8s are 8 into 32 by 1 3s are 1 into 3. 8 into 32 it gives. Now multiply. 2 8s are 16. 6 here 1 becomes carry. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 1 25 by 1 3s are 3. Now it is 256 by 3 kilometers. By using 32 by liters of petrol, it will go 256 by 3 kilometers. Now it is improper fraction. We can convert this improper fraction to mixed fraction. How to convert? By the division. Now divide here 3 into 256. 3 8s are 24, reduce. Next here 1, take down to the 6. In 3 times 16 will not possible, so 3 5s are 15. So directly 385s are 245. 85 threes are 245. Directly take in one step. First step will not. Now 6 minus 5 is 1. 5 minus 4 it is 1. Now right here it is 85 into 11 by 3 kilometers. By using 10 into 2 by 3 liters of petrol, the truck will go 85 into 11 by 3 kilometers. Understand? First one and fourth one and fifth one. Next, sixth one. Sixth one is also a word problem. Sixth question is, Raja walks 1 into 1 by 2 meters of distance in 1 second. Next question is, Raja walks. Sixth question. Raja walks 1 into 1 by 2 meters in 1 second. 1 second. How much distance? How much distance? How much distance will he walk in 15 minutes? Will he walk in 15 minutes? Now see the question. Raja walks 1 into 1 by 2 meters in 1 second. Raja 1 second lo 1 into 1 by 2 meters distance walk chesaranta. How much distance will he walk in 15 minutes? Now here they said in seconds, here they said in minutes. అక్కడనేమో 1 సెకండ్ లో 1 into 1 by 2 meters వెళ్తానని చెప్పాడు. ఇక్కడనేమో 15 minutes కి ఎంత అని అడుగుతున్నాడు. So what you have to do first of all, now it is in minutes. We can convert minutes into seconds. Minutes in seconds lo convert చేయగలం కదా. Now we have to convert minutes into seconds. Then we have to find the solution. Then solution. Distance walked by Raja. Distance walked by Raja in 1 second is equal. In 1 second is equal. He'll go 1 into 1 by 2 meters. Now it is a mixed fraction. We can convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. How to convert? Or 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1 3. That is equal to 3 by 2 meters. Now, distance walked by Raja in 1 second is equal to 1 into 1 by 2. They have given. Now it is a mixed fraction. We can convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. How to convert? By multiplying. 2 ones are 2, 2 plus 1 3. Now it is 3 by 2 meters. Now he is asking, how much distance will he walk in 15 minutes? Now distance covered by Raja in 15 minutes. First we can find, before going to find the 15 minutes, now it is in seconds. First this he said in seconds, now afterwards he is asking in minutes. Now seconds lo minutes lo unte kastam. Either that is in minutes or minutes to minutes and undali, seconds to seconds and undali. But here we have, first one they have given in seconds, second they are asking in minutes. So we can convert minutes into seconds. For 1 minute, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 60 seconds. So what about 15 minutes, Nana? Then 15 minutes is equal to 60 into, for 1 minute 60 seconds, so 15 into 60, 15s are. Otherwise 15 into, for 1 minute 60 seconds, so 15 into 60, 15 6 are 90, here we have 1 0, so write 1 0. Now 15 minutes is equal to 900 seconds. Now the question is, Raja walks in 1 second, he will walk 3/2 meters, then how much distance will he walk in 900 seconds? Now it is also in seconds, it is also in seconds, then we can find the solution. Then distance walked by Raja in 900 seconds is equal to distance walked by Raja in 900 seconds is equal to 900 into 3/2. Multiplication of whole number with a fraction. Now, if you don't have any denominator, then you have to take the denominator as one. Denominator em lekapothe 1 తీసుకోవచ్చు కదా. Now see here, is there any possibility to cut? Yes, there is a possibility, that is 2 1s are 2. In truth table 9 is not possible, so you have to take 2 4s are 8. Out of 9, 8 completed. 1 will left, so 1 we have to write carry. 2 4s are 2 5s are 10. 0 you have to write here, 0 0s are 2 zeros are 0. Now here 450 into 3. Now multiply. 450 into 3 gives 3 zeros are 0. 3 5s are 15. 5 here have to write here. 1 becomes carry. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 1 13. So in 900 seconds he will walk 1350 meters. For 1 second he will walk by 3/2 meters. For 900 seconds he will walk by 1350 meters. Understand? Next, provide the number in the box. Next, which question? Next one is 7th one. Provide the number in the box to make the statement true. Provide the number in the box to make the statement as true. Now they have given one statement. We have to complete that statement. Now see here, 7th bit. Provide the number in the box. Provide the number in the box. To make the statement true. To make the statement true. Now, first question, 2/3 into, they have given one box, is equal to 20/21. Second question, 5/7 into, here they have given one box, here 5, here 3, here 7. Now see here, provide the number in the box to make the statement as true. That means what we have to write in this box to get this answer. What we have to write? Already division of fractions we have learned. No, we did not learn. Now see here, 2/3 into, this box, it is numerator and denominator. What we have to write in the numerator and denominator to get the answer as 20/21. That means we have to multiply. Which number we have to write here to get the 20 as answer? We have to multiply 10. If you multiply 2 with 10, then you will get the answer as 2 10s are 20. Now here, which number we have to take as the answer to get the answer as 21? We have to multiply the 3 with 7. If you multiply 3 with 7, then you will get 2/3 into 10/7 is equal to, there is no more possibility to cut. So 2 10s are 20, 3 7s are 21 directly. So here you have to write 10/7. In this box only directly you have to write 10/7. 2 10s are 20, 3 7s are 21. Next, come to the second question. 5/7 into, in this box, what we have to write in this box? Here we have 5, here we have 3, here we have. Now see here. First, here we have numerator. Here we have two numerators. Now multiply the numerators. If you multiply these two, then what you will get, Nana? 7 5s are 35 you will get. 7 5s are 35. Now see here, what with which number we have to multiply with 5 to get the answer as 3. Here we will take 7 here. Here we will multiply with the same number, that is 3. Now see here, I will show proof here. If you multiply this number with 5, 5 3s are it is 15. Now 7 5s are it is 35. Now both are possible to cut in 5 table, that is 5 3s are 15, 5 7s are 35. So instead of 3 here, if you have 15, it is 15 by 35. If you cut this, then you will get 3 by 7. So in this box you have to write 7, in this box you have to write 3. Okay? Madam, how did you get directly? Directly ఎలా వచ్చిందంటే ఇక్కడ చూడండి నాన్న, 5 by 7 into, here we don't have any number, here we have 5 is equal to 3 by, here we don't have anything. Now 5 by 7 into, here box, here we have 5. Now 3 by, if you multiply these two, then you will get 35. Now by using division of fractions, we did not learn about division of fractions, next we will learn that only. By using division of fractions, you have to find this now. Now 5 by 7, write 5 by 7 to the that side of this fraction. Now it is box, here we don't have anything, by 5, 3 by 35 into, when this fraction is 5 by 7, when it goes to after is equal, then the fraction will become reverse. 5 by 7 becomes 7 by 5. 5 by 7 becomes 7 by 5. Now multiply. 3 7s are 21, 35 5s are 5 5s are 25. 5 3s are 15, 16, 17. Now if you cut this, then you will get the answer as 3 here. By using division of fractions, we have to find the solution. Now I will explain about division of fractions. Just don't worry about that. When you go to the division of fractions, then you will understand this easily. Okay? Next we have division of fractions. Next we have division of fractions. That means how to divide fraction with a fraction, how to divide whole number with a fraction. How to divide division with a division, how to divide whole number with a division. Next, today we will learn only division of fractions. Division of fractions. In this division of fractions, division of fraction with a fraction. Division of fraction with a fraction. Fraction with a fraction. How to divide first one fraction to the another fraction. Then now see here, I am taking an example, that is 2 by 3 divides by 10 by 7 I have taken here. Division of fraction with a fraction. Why I have written here division symbol? Because I am dividing here. Divide chestunnaru kabatti division symbol rali. 2 by 3 divided by 10 by 7. We can write 2 by 3 by 10 by 7. We can write this fraction also like this also. If fraction ni manam ila kuda rayachu. Okay? Then how to divide 2 by 3? Numerator we have to write as is. Total it is numerator, total it is denominator. Madam ikkada 2 unnai kada, is numerator, denominator, numerator, denominator. Yes, correctly, that is numerator, denominator only. But in the division, the upper part, total upper part will become numerator, the total down number part will become denominator. Now 2 by 3 is numerator, 10 by 7 is denominator. If you take one fraction, if you take only 2 by 3, in this 2 by 3, 2 is numerator, 3 is denominator. But here we have two fractions. If you have two fractions, then total first fraction is a numerator, total second fraction is denominator. Now 2 by 3 is numerator, 10 by 7 is denominator. Then while you are doing division, first fraction you have to write the numerator as it is. When you goes to the division, second fraction, for the second fraction you have to write the reciprocal. Reciprocal means you have to write the second fraction in reverse. Here the second fraction is in 10 by 7. The reciprocal form of 10 by 7 is 7 by 10. Symbol will change and the fraction will change. Second fraction only change. division symbol becomes multiplication and the second fraction will becomes reverse. In the division you have to remember, symbol will change and the second fraction will becomes reverse. Here the fraction is 10 by 7. In the division becomes 7 by 10. Now find the answer here. Is there any possibility to cut? Yes, there is a possibility, that is 2 ones are 2 fives are. Here more any possibility? No. Then if there is don't have any possibility, then multiply the numerators, that are 1 into 7 by 3 into 5. 1 sevens are 7, 3 fives are 15. So the answer of 2 by 3 divides by 10 by 7 is 7 by 15. Understand? Then second, more one example. 4 by 16 divides by 10 by 24. 4 by 16 divides by 10 by 24. Now find the solution for this 4 fraction. 4 by 16 as it is we have to write. Now it is division of fractions. What will happen in division of fractions? In the division fractions, while you are doing division, symbol will change and the second fraction will become reverse. For the second fraction we have to write the reciprocal. What is the reciprocal form of 10 by 24? The reciprocal form of 10 by 24 is 24 by 10. The reciprocal form of 10 by 24 is 24 by 10. Now, is there any possibility to cut? You have to cut, otherwise you have to multiply the numerators and write the answer. Multiply the denominators and write the answer. Is there any possibility? Yes, there is a possibility, that is 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. More any possibility? Yes, there is a possibility, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. More any possibility? Yes, 8 1s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Now 1, 3, 1, 5. There is no more possibility, all are prime numbers, so 1 into 3 by multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators, 1 into 5. 1 3s are it is 3, 1 5s are it is 5. Like this you have to find the division of fractions, division of fraction with a fraction. If you have two fractions, then you have to do the division like this. Simply you have to remember, symbol will change, second fraction you have to write in reverse. Symbol change avutundi, second fraction in reverse avutadi. More one example. 5 by 10 divides by 24 by 35. 5 by 10 divided by 24 by 35. Now 5 by 10 we have to write as it is. Now for the, while you are finding the answer, what will happen? Symbol will change, division becomes into, then second fraction will become reverse. For the second fraction we have to write the reciprocal form. Reciprocal means you have to write the fraction in reverse. What is the reciprocal form of 24 by 35? 35 by 24. Now check here, is there any possibility to cut? No, there is no more possibility. 5 and 24 not possible. 5 and 10, yes, there is a possibility. That is 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. More any possibility is there? 2 and 35 not possible. Madam, 2 and 24 is both are possible, no, but both are in denominators. Should not cut two denominators. So simply multiply the numerators, that are 1 into 35 by 2 into 24. Now multiply them, then you will get the answer. 135 are 35, 24 2s are 48. So the division of 5 by 10 divides by 24 by 35 is 35 by 48. Like this you have to find the division of fractions. In the next class we will learn how to divide fraction with a whole number. So complete here. In exercise 3 we have completed 3 word problems and one more problem also. More word problem also we have completed. That means in exercise 3 we have completed 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. Complete, write that homework in your notebook. Then afterwards, division of fractions, how to divide the fraction with a fraction we have learned. In the next class, we will learn how to divide whole number with a fraction. Then we will go to the exercise. Complete your homework up to here. In this up to here, if you have any doubts, ask me, I will explain. Okay.